Hello, my dear friends. I want to know, do you consider yourself as an investor or a trader? Comment below. If you consider yourself as an investor, type investor. If you consider a trader, write trader. I know a lot of my friends watching this video are traders, but even then I just want to know, do you consider yourself a trader? Because today I'm going to burst the most important myth about trading and investing. Most people think of themselves as investors and they don't want to call themselves traders. But do you know what big winners call themselves as? They call themselves traders. Ask me why. You want to know why? Because they don't invest, they trade. And what do investors do? They put their money or capital into the market. It can be stock market or real estate. It is under the assumption that the value of the entity they invest will increase over time. So when you buy a house or when you buy a piece of land, your assumption is that in the next 5 years, 10 years, the price is going to go up. And they don't plan when the investment value decreases. Be it in the 2008 crash or any other crash, actually there were a lot of suicide cases in the real estate industry. You know why? Because they never planned when the investment value decreases. So that's the challenge with investors. They typically succeed in bull markets but lose badly in bear markets. Okay? But a trader has a defined plan or a strategy. I'm talking about a successful trader. I know a lot of traders out there. They become a trader and an investor based on how the market reacts, not based on what their plan is. But I'm talking about a successful trader has a defined plan or a strategy to put their capital into market in order to achieve a single point agenda or a goal, which is profit. So they don't care what the market is saying or what others are saying. Everybody is talking about industry and all of that stuff. Their single point, this thing is my end goal profit. I mean, as long as they end up with more money than they started with, they're not interested in anything other than trading. This is an important distinction, my dear friends. So Tom Bosso, who is a long-time trend follower, has often said that whether you are trading or not, you are a trader. I mean, let's accept the fact. And when you buy and sell, you automatically become a trader. And everybody who even think investors, they're actually traders. So they think, a lot of people think that they must be in and out of the markets every day to call themselves a trader. Not necessary. What makes someone a trader has more to do with their perspective on life than with making a given trade. What is the example? A trend follower who basically follows trend, his perspective includes patience. He has to pick the winners out of a lot of small-time losers. A trend follower can wait for weeks or months for a good trend to form and ride the trend. So subscribe if you are looking for more strategies, more ideas. And I know this was more of a theory subject, but I wanted to make this very, very clear to my subscribers. And let me know if you want me to make any video on any specific topic. And thank you for watching and goodbye. Bye-bye.